Merry Christmas.
Do a quick treat. It's time for something sweet, something that would be good for a quick finger treat to pick up around Christmas time and just munch on really quick. It's a cold night here in Arkansas, wet, rainy, so I'm going to throw together some puppy chow. I'm going to put a cup of chocolate chip and white chocolate chips in. My oldest son just come in, so that's the door squeaking. And a cup of peanut butter. Creamy. And we're fixing to melt this in the microwave. Be back in a bit. Alright, so we've got it melted down. And I'm going to pour in about, just going to eyeball it. 6-7 cups of rice chex. Get it all good and coated. And I used, I don't know if I said this earlier, but I used a half a cup of white chocolate chips and a half a cup of chocolate chips because I was finishing up a bag. I may be repeating myself, I can't remember. Anyway, I'm going to stir all this up. Get it all coated good. Put it in the fridge. Let it cool down. Then add my powdered sugar. Back in a bit. So we are cooled down. I'm going to add in my powdered sugar. You'll hear my washing machine going in the background. I am multitasking today. Just going to toss it around until it's all coated. I will be back when it's through. There you go. Puppy chow. It's going to be a quick dessert. Got a pot of chili simmering on the stove. I have already put a video up for chili, so I'll drop a link down. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. Make you a batch of it. You probably won't be disappointed. It's very good. I hope you guys have a great week. See you later.